Welcome back to another lesson of English pronunciation. In this tutorial, I'm going to showcase for you how to articulate these words that start with letter D perfectly. Devout, devour, devoid, devote, due, dexterity, devastate, devastation, deviate, deviation, devise, devolve, devolution, and devious. That's practice. Devout, disyllabic adjective, which means pious person. Devout, stress the syllable on the second syllable, vout. The second word is devour. Stress on the second syllable, also vour, which means to eat greedily. Devout, devour. Devoid, also stress on the second syllable, void, as a disyllabic adjective, which means empty. Devoid. I repeat, devout, devour, devoid. And then we move on to devote, to spend time doing something. Devote, stress on vote. Devote. And then we move on to due as a monosyllabic word. That's a type of water. Due, due. Let's practice. Devout, devour, devoid, devote, due. And then we move on to dexterity. Dexterity, it's a four-syllable noun. Stress on stare, the second syllable. Dexterity, skill in doing something, especially with hands. Dexterity. Devastate, to damage, to destroy. Stress on the first syllable, da. This word has got devastate, three-syllable verb. Stress on the first syllable, da. Let's practice. Dexterity, devastate. The noun is devastation. Stress on te, the penultimate syllable. Devastation. And then move on to deviate, to swerve, go away from the straight line. That's deviate. Stress on D, the first syllable. Deviate. The noun is deviation. Stress on the penultimate syllable, A. Deviation. Deviate, deviation. Devise, to create something. Stress on vise, the second syllable. Vise, vise, devise. And then move on to devolve. Devolve. Stress on volve, the second syllable. And then you move on to devolution. Removing of power. Throw power from an authority. Devolution. Stress on lu, the penultimate syllable. Say devolution. The verb devolve, the noun devolution. And the last word is the adjective from deviation as devious. Devious, stress on the first syllable, D. Let's practice. Devout, devour, devoid, devote, due, dexterity, devastate, devastation, deviate, deviation, devise, devolve, devolution, devious. Again, from the bottom of the list, devious, devolution, devolve, devise, deviation, deviate, devastation, devastate, dexterity, due, devote, devoid, devour, devout. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.